Okay, here starts the great adventure. I'm at the railroad station in Poughkeepsie, as you can see, and we're waiting for the train to board. So I'll keep you informed as we go along. I'm finally in my cabin. There's the Intrepid right across from us, and the city of New York. And there's my balcony. There's my luxurious cabin. Here's the jet, the rocket jet at the end of the thing. There's the space shuttle is in that big tent over there. The SX submarine, fighter jets, rocket planes. The whole thing display here at the Enterprise. And here's the city of New York. Pulling out of the harbor, or the dock, going down the Hudson. We're about to dock in Bermuda. I've been here a long time. And you can see the boat will go sideways. Michael. We're in the middle of the ocean.
So when you hear me, darling, can't you hear me?
Azores. Just landed this morning, a little overcast.
More sports, fishing, catching,
This is actually a crater from a volcano. There's a lake, there's a bridge over it. I had to.